Okay, this is 307, FCA 307.4, hearing following detention. So this is going to be talking about they've detained the child and this is the hearing, okay, following that detention. Okay, this is a pre-petition hearing. So the focus is on detention, right? Because they took the child, they have the child in detention. Now they're having this hearing. This is the hearing following the detainment of the child. So child is brought in before petition is filed. The petition has not been filed yet. The judge shall hold hearing for purpose of making a preliminary determination regarding whether the court has jurisdiction over the child. Do we have jurisdiction over the child? Okay, the judge is going to appoint an attorney unless the child already has a private attorney. Okay, after such hearing, the judge shall order release to custody of parent. Remember, anytime we say parent, is parent or anyone having custody, and if they're not available, the person the child is residing with. So anytime I say parent, just assume it's all of that, okay? Or just know it's all of that. So after such hearing, judge shall order release to custody of parent if these are the conditions, they're going to release the kid. If the court does not appear to have jurisdiction, so they realize they don't have jurisdiction over the child, so they release the child. Or events occasioning the taking into custody do not appear to involve allegations that the child committed the delinquent act. So they're like, we don't think that he committed the delinquent act, so we're going to let him go. There's a third one. I don't know why it's not on my card. I got a lot of this from the instruction, but the third one is the events occasioning the taking into custody appear to involve acts which constitute juvenile delinquency, unless the court finds and states facts and reasons which would support a detention order pursuant to section 320.5. So just wanted to add that. Okay, so this particular hearing, such hearing is within 72 hours of detention or the next day court is in session, whichever is sooner. So they got the kid in detention, 72 hours from that point that the kid was in detention, this hearing had to take place, okay? This is the hearing following detention. Okay, and then petition must be filed and a probable cause hearing held. This is the next hearing under section 325.1 within 4 days. 4 days. They detain the kid, 72 hours from detainment, they got to have this hearing, right? About detention, jurisdiction, whether they're going to release the kid or not, whatever. Okay, then the petition must be filed and a probable cause hearing held under section 325.1 within 4 days, okay, of conclusion of a hearing under this section. So if child is released, no constraint, the child's not under any constraint, they don't have to file the petition or hold a probable cause hearing because they're not under jurisdiction for those reasons that I read before, why they were released. Now, if the petition is not filed timely, the respondent must be released. They can't be detained anymore. They must be released if the petition is not filed in a timely manner. And that is hearing following detention 307.4. Here's for you visuals. Got to remember the time frame, 72 hours from detention to this hearing, and then 4 days from this hearing to probable cause hearing, and petition must be filed. Have a nice day.